Hey guys, what's going on? Coming at you with the Tuesday morning video. Obviously yesterday the market was closed. So today obviously is the first day this week of the long weekend for the market. So today I want to talk about Voyager Digital, something, big news kind of broke in this stock. It's obviously it's an OTC smaller stock, but big news broke in it. So Voyager Digital, if you don't know this stock, it's a crypto brokerage. The CEO, Steven's a very smart guy, in my opinion. He partnered with the Dallas Mavericks, 5-year deal. He's friends with Mark Cuban. So personally, this is who I purchased my Bitcoin and Ethereum with, or basically all my crypto, but those are the two I currently buy. I've been a Voyager shareholder for probably 9 months now, maybe close to a year. I was dollar cost averaging. I started buying actually the stock around like $15, $14 and just slowly dwindled my way down. Crazy to say, the stock right now, which is insane to even say, it's $1.02. So I am pretty severely under my cost base. So if you're looking to get into a crypto play or you believe in crypto in the future, obviously there's a lot of uncertainty in crypto right now, and risk on assets. Like Voyager Digital is a very risk on asset, like for sure, like no doubt. So there's a lot of fear baked in the market right now and stuff like that. So could Voyager go bankrupt? Maybe, that's definitely a possibility. So I wouldn't recommend like throwing all your eggs in, this basket. I mean, it would be a big risk, big reward, but Voyager Digital's, I own 17 stocks as a long-term investor, and this is like number 15 or 14 of my portfolio. So it's not a very big position. Don't plan on making it a big position for that very reason, but I do want some, exposure to it. So, they did get a $485 million loan from FTX, and that's Sam Bankman-Fried's company. It is it's a private company, so it's not public. And Sam is basically, he's a younger guy, super good with his money. He's going to donate, I believe, most of his wealth away whenever he's no longer around and stuff like that. So he just has a lot of capital. He's very smart. Definitely, is good. So. The interesting part is, there's a lot of crypto brokers right now that are probably hurting. Voyager, Binance, Cellulose, Coinbase. There are so many, and it's very interesting that Sam Bankman-Fried, the owner of FTX, decided to help out Voyager, which is awesome. So they must have some sort of like-minded personalities or like-minded thoughts. I mean, there's got to be a reason. So. I kind of thought about why they would do this, and to be honest, I mean, I kind of get it. If you have a lot of cash and you want, I mean, yes, they're a competitor kind of, but you find it a way to make more money, and you're doing a greater good. Like, you're helping the crypto community by keeping brokerages up and around. You always want competition. It's kind of a weird way of looking at it, but competition's good because it pushes each other, it grows innovation, it captures growth and stuff like that, because you constantly, if you had no competition, you would just be stagnant. You wouldn't be very motivated to innovate and stuff like that. So very interesting. I don't really know the nitty-gritty details of why they chose Voyager and why they did that, but it's awesome. So this loan does expire December 31st in 2024. So that's 2.5 years out to basically pay back. FTX is taking a 5% APR. So that's pretty, that's pretty meaty, 5%. So another good thing is, I was a little worried because I do brokerage with Voyager, and stock's been, going, down the toilet basically. But it does make me good because, even if you have a lot of money, you're not going to lend a company $485 million in this crypto, in the crypto turmoil we have right now. If you don't think they're going to make it through, you don't think they're going to work, or you're just not going to do that as an investor. So it's kind of, it kind of just makes you feel good about, Voyager. So I'm very interested this morning after, when the market opens, where they're going to be, because over the weekend they were at, $1.02, and I believe Thursday and Friday they were sub $1, like 98 cents, 97 cents. So should be very interesting. Obviously pre-market, I shot this video Monday night, but it was extremely green. I believe like the NASDAQ was like 1.3%, S&P was like 1.1%. So it's a pretty green market pre-market as far as last night. I mean, obviously as you're watching this video, it's the morning, so it could have completely changed, who knows. Obviously there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, doubt in the market. The Fed is going to be aggressive. They're going to get inflation under control at any cost. So you got to keep that in mind. Obviously the CPI report a week ago came in at all-time highs at 8.6%. I do think that's probably the peak in my opinion. We'll see. But you know, they're going to do whatever it takes to get inflation under control. So we got to keep that in mind. That could be very bad for the market. It slow down GDP, slow down employment, slow down really everything, which is bad for if you're an investor. So just keep that in mind. You got to be, you got to buy, you know, strategically, basically. Crypto in general. Bitcoin's been holding on for dear life Sunday, Monday, and then into today. Bitcoin's been floating around that 20K mark, which is a big psychological line for them. So we'll see. I mean, I think this news in general kind of might give some relief to the crypto community in general. So maybe Bitcoin holds at 20K or maybe gets a little bit of rally, gets like 21, 22. That would be great for the psychology of crypto and the Bitcoin. Ethereum's at like 1.1K. It went down to $800 when Bitcoin broke down to 17K. So we'll see. I don't plan on buying Bitcoin or Ethereum at these levels. If it does continue, like if it dives down to the 80% retrace, which is what happened in 2012, 2015, I believe 2018. So if it does that, I'll probably have to buy. The 80% retracement is about 13,000 for Bitcoin. So that's 15,000. I'd be interested in the dollar cost average down. But yeah, we'll see. So just some news on Voyager Digial. You know, I mean, I do broker, like I said, I buy Bitcoin in it, I brokerage with it and stuff like that. So just thought I'd share my thoughts. You know, if you don't follow the stock crazy, I mean, it's just this is good for Voyager. So if you like this video, I'm trying to get to 900 subs by the end of July. So if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, let me know your thoughts on Voyager and crypto in general below. Till tomorrow, peace.